Accurate installation documentation is a critical part of any successful factory system or work cell project. Autodesk Inventor has the tools you need to document and communicate your design intent effectively. Plans, elevations and sections, along with details and a parts list, are all produced associatively from your 3D model, saving time and reducing errors caused by a manual process. Your 3D CAD model can contain more information than simple geometry. Component models contain information about their physical properties, such as material and appearance, and properties such as weight and surface area are calculated automatically and are always in sync with the 3D model. But do drawings have to be two-dimensional sheets of paper? Autodesk Inventor also supports the addition of dimensions, tolerances and annotations in 3D models to DIN, ISO and ANSI standards. Create shared views of your design to collaborate with your colleagues inside and outside your company with a secure web link. Your colleagues can continue to inspect your design by taking measurements, adding cutting planes, searching and exploding assemblies, and making comments. Even when you've collaborated, coordinated and approved your design using a 3D model, you may still need a 2D drawing as a contract deliverable. Your time spent adding 3D annotation is not wasted when it comes to drawing creation. 3D camera views and their corresponding 3D annotations are automatically included on drawing view creation. Your bill of material is also automatically extracted from your model and will always be up to date with your design. Collate data such as part numbers and quantities, as well as weights and dimensions, preventing errors caused by a manual takeoff. Your bill of material is reflected on your drawing as a parts list, with item numbers to connect the components to their information. Autodesk Inventor is part of the Product Design and Manufacturing collection and helps you to automate your design and drawing process so that you can focus on solving problems and coordinating and communicating your solutions effectively.